will add very simple check on this login.php page. So let me show you what we are gonna do. So if I give it my username of Jazim and password to be 1234, you can see I'm on dashboard.php page. So which means I can go to any page I want. I can go to post page, categories page, manage admins page, and I can also go to the same page of login.php, although I'm still logged in. So this is not good at the time when you are already logged in. This page of login.php should not be accessible. So I can make this login.php page not to be visible when the admin is already logged in. So back to my editor, write in this file of login.php, write on line 5, I will add one if condition here. So I will say that if my variable of session, which is $_session of user ID is set, then you should redirect my admin to dashboard.php. So I'm saying here, if this user ID variable is already set, then send the admin to the dashboard.php. So the rest of the code will not be accessible. So we will not have all of this HTML. We'll have just the redirection. So if I save this one, and first of all, let's go to our page of logout. So we logged out successfully. If I try to go into my page of posts, I got this error message. So giving my username and password. So I'm on my posts page. Now if I try to go into my page of login.php, see, I'm being redirected to the page of dashboard.php. Let's do it one more time. So login.php. Now I'm not able to access my login page anymore until I log out. For example, if I go to my logout page, I'm on login.php. I can give it some username and password. See, I'm on dashboard.php. If I go to my admins page, I can do that. But I will not be able to go into my login page because I'm already in the state of logged in.